So what we'll do just now is we're going to load up the Edge browser. So I'm typing in Edge, press enter, Microsoft Edge loads up. I want to go to Office 365 and look at the online version of Excel now. So I'll type in Office 365. There's an option that says login, do that as well. And there's a link, so I click on the link there. It might automatically log me in because I've already used this today, which it has. And as you can see, we've seen the version of Word before, and obviously the side of OneDrive. Let's look at Excel now, so I'll select that. And in this list here I can see, look there, there's shop totals, which we looked at earlier. So I'm clicking shop totals to open it up. Because remember, that was in our OneDrive, I've saved it there, so it's appeared in the list. And here we have the online version of Excel, which looks very, very similar to the offline version as well. View, and look about, oh, I don't see it. If you look for a zoom tool there, no doubt I'll see it once I don't look for it. Back to home there. Yeah, it looks very much like the previous one. Yeah, looking over there. Some things are a little bit different. I don't see the option that says styles, with one for styles in the desktop version. Just looking around for other things I might not recognise. Yes, it's not exactly the same, it's quite close. So the obvious things are, if I, for example, select some text here, just highlight it, or just click drag to highlight it. I can see I obviously can do the bold options there, the italic options there, the different colours for text are in there as well. So the same sort of stuff you'd expect to see are here. Increase the size of text, make the size smaller. Yeah, it's all about the same sort of stuff, I reckon. When I click on the cell reference, I see the cell reference number appears up there, plus the value in this location here. And there's our sum option, which we made last time, basically a basic function for summing things up. Of course, if you want to do that again, what I could do is, I'm going to format paint that section there, put it over, say, here, and I'll put an actual sum in. I'll say equals sum, open curved bracket, and drag these here, and then close brackets and press enter. So that says 59, which gives you an idea of the totals for fish in all the shops, as opposed to seeing the individual total, then added up to show the totals for one shop. You can do it across the way as well. And because I've used this formula, I'll be able to drag it down. So it copies the format and the formula for each different row as well. So you see that's C3 to F3, looks like, yeah. Therefore it's C4 to F4, that's there. And all the way down there, that'll be C7 to F7, so that's from there to there. So it looks very similar to the previous one. And as again, it's doing what Word did, it's doing this automatic save option as well, which is quite good too. I think what I'll do is I want to click in one option here. What's under format? Yeah, lots of different individual bits and pieces you can change. I was looking for that style option to see, just to see what pop up, but I don't see it at all. While we're here, I think what I'll do is I'll change some of these values and put decimal points in. So 12.99 might represent £12.99. 13.50 could be £13.50. And as you see here, the decimal values appeared by adding them up as well, and also over here going across the way along the rows. If you click here in this cell, if you don't want to see the decimals, you can change them about a bit. You see this bits here. Reduce, takes it away to reduce the values after the decimal point, and clicking here brings them back. And if you want more than two, you can click again, get as many as you want. And you can do that for lots of different cells. You can highlight all the cells and make it do the same thing as well. I notice the currency here looks like a dollar sign. There's English pounds there. So now there's a pound sign appeared there. So what I'll do is I'll make this all look like money. Select it all, use a pound sign. And these are also money as well, so select those two. And these ones as well, all representing money, which makes the world go round, apparently. So I've done all these changes and I've saved it, and that's basically a quick introduction to the online version of Excel.